Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Guys, we need a jingle for the intro. Please help me. In today's video, we're going to get ready together and have a little chit chat. It is so good to be back. I'm going to show you how to snatch that face, baby. And it's all going to look so natural and so beautiful. This is the look, honey. You are going to love this video, but please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. This can be a day look without the lashes and a night look with the lashes on. I will show you at the end of the video the transformation the lashes can do to a makeup look. And you're going to be blown away. Trust me. Lashes are so I'm going to ask you to please stay tuned and comment down below. Yes, down there. Just type. And tell me if you want a tutorial for the brows or for the eyelashes or for the nose or the lips or the contour or anything, because I want to know what you're interested in, and I want to make videos that interest you. So comment down below. Now I'm about to start doing my makeup, but first of all I really take care of my skin and I wash it properly, I tone it and I moisturize it really well. And please, you do the same. It's very important to take care of your skin, even if you wear makeup, even if you don't wear makeup, but especially if you're wearing makeup. I promise you that the foundation is going to look so good if you take care of your skin and put that skincare on. Okay? So please, first, do the skincare, take care of your canvas, and I promise you that if you follow the steps that I'm going to show you during my tutorials, you will see beautiful results, okay? Also, I have a little favor to ask you. Come a little closer. Please like and subscribe to my channel, baby. And now we are ready to start doing our makeup. And also during this video I'm going to respond to some of your questions that you have asked me on Instagram. If you don't follow me there, please go ahead and do. So the first question that I got is, why were you missing on YouTube? Where have you been? To be honest, I haven't gone anywhere. I just wasn't feeling like uploading here on YouTube. It was a period of time when I was feeling kind of down and uninspired, and I stopped doing makeup tutorials. I created some content on Instagram. There I was more active. During this quarantine I found myself again, and I have found inspiration, and I have decided that I want to really live my life. Even though I stayed in the house, I found so many things to do in the house. I didn't get bored, and I'm so happy about that. I was ready to get back here on YouTube and to film tutorials, and I'm planning on doing makeup tutorials like I have done in the past, but also I want to do other kind of content. So if you have any requests, just let them in the comments. I will be more than happy to create content that is going to be useful for you too. I really want to know how this quarantine was for you. What did you do? How did you feel? In the beginning for me it was such a hard time. I was kind of feeling anxious, not knowing what it is going to happen. Everybody on TV was panicking, everyone around me we were in this such big unknown, and we didn't know. I didn't know what my life is going to be like. But one day I woke up and I have decided that I want to not care that much. I just want to take it step by step, day by day, and go through it slowly and see how things are evolving and continuing to be. And this is how I stopped worrying about the future and started living in the moment. So I relaxed and everything went on smoothly until that moment. I created a routine, I created a workout routine. I do yoga now. I try to do it every day. There are some days when I skip, but I try to get back on track pretty soon. And I discovered that I really enjoy cooking, and not only sweets, because I love cooking sweets, baking sweets actually, besides of eating them. And I'm planning on making some videos, maybe cook with me, or I don't know, bake with me. And I think this is going to be more fun, and you're going to see another side of me and of my life. Do you think you would love to see that? And I'm planning also on doing some sports video to show you how I do yoga, and also I started to meditate every day, and it's literally life-changing. But maybe I'll talk about this in another video. Let me see some other questions. Do you prefer colored eye looks or more neutrals? Well, I think as you have seen on my Instagram, I don't see myself as a girl who wears colorful makeup, but I am planning to get out of my comfort zone, and maybe I should try and do more colorful looks. We will see how this goes. Even if they say that the natural looks are more difficult to make because you can see if something is not blended well enough, but I like to enhance the beauty. I like how a natural look looks like. Are you in a relationship? Yes, I am in a relationship. I am actually married. We've been together for 12 years now, I think. We're going to celebrate our 4th anniversary as a married couple this August. How tall are you? Well, actually, I'm not that tall. I am 157. I'm petite, as you say, but strong essences are kept in small bottles. Is that correct? I don't know, you tell me. When did you know that you wanted to be a makeup artist? I always loved makeup. It always it felt so intriguing to me when I used to watch my grandmother put on her makeup. And I think I first wore makeup when I was in 8th grade, and we had the graduation party, and I put on some makeup, and I really loved it, but it was not, I wasn't wearing any foundation or something like that. I was just, I think, wearing some mascara and lip gloss, maybe some blush, and and I did a wing eyeliner with a pencil that smeared everywhere. I think it was in high school when I started using foundation, but I wasn't wearing a full face or anything. I just liked to put on makeup, but occasionally, not on an everyday basis. I loved putting makeup on my mother and my friend, but I always thought that I need to go to a makeup school, to a professional makeup school, and learn how to apply makeup correctly and all the products that I need in order to make makeup last all day long and all night long. Back then YouTube was at its start. There were some makeup tutorials, but not all of them explaining you like all the steps and all the products you really need to use, and it was not something like one-on-one tutorial. So that's why I decided to go to makeup school. After the makeup school I started to take clients, and I figured it out that makeup makes me so happy, and I love applying it on other person other than myself. So yeah, I guess this is how I decided to start this career. I love contouring my eyes so much. It's because I have hooded eyes, and this contouring technique makes my eyes look bigger. Another question that I got is, do you have a preference between drugstore and high-end makeup? So to be honest, there are some drugstore brands that have really nice products, and the high-end brands that have so great products. I don't have a preference between them. I just like to use the best product out there. So I have let's say a powder from one brand, and I use concealer from another brand, and in my case I have drugstore products and professional and deluxe products that are its best in their category. Nowadays the drugstore brands really improved their quality, and they're making such a great job, and to be honest, it's a pity not to use them. You could also save some money. So you're going to see me using drugstore, but also professional and high-end makeup products. Now let's bit this face, baby. And I am always using a damp sponge, and I am pressing the product in the skin so it melts with the foundation. Who's your favorite makeup artist out there? So my favorite makeup artist is definitely Harush. If you don't know her, you should go and check her out. I really love her, and I love her style, and I have learned so many tricks from her. I love Mario, Makeup by Mario, Nikki Makeup on Instagram. If you don't follow her, you are missing out big time. Oh, and Andrea Ali, she's the best, and she's Romanian, just like me. Alright guys, that's it with the questions for now. We've been chatting a little bit, and now I'm going to finish and fast forward the makeup, and I will talk to you right after. I think the lashes make such a big difference. Just look, without lash, with lash. Doesn't it look just better and more snatched and more sexy? More honey. Now it's time for the lips, and I'm using one of my favorite lip pencils. Just such a beautiful nude. This is a liquid lipstick that dries matte, but it's also creamy and it won't dry the lips. But we won't have dry lips because we're going to use lip gloss. This is one of my favorite lip combos. It looks super sexy and it makes my lips more voluminous and bigger. So this is the finished look. I really hope that you enjoyed watching this video. So don't forget to leave me your comments with your requests on the next tutorials that you would want to see. Before you leave, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Take care. Bye bye.